This lesson, we're actually going to be writing an equation for a linear function. So we already know it's a straight line, which is awesome. So if we find the slope and the y-intercept first, then we can use y equals mx plus b to write the equation. So to find the slope, we just take the change in y over the change in x. So you do figure out how it's changing and watch the sign, and then how is x changing. So 3 divided by 1 is 3, so the slope will be 3. The y-intercept is always when x is 0. So we come over where x is 0, the y-intercept will be 5. So you put down that, and then we just plug in the slope is, what was the slope? 3. So the m is 3, and b is 5, and then we just plug it into y equals mx plus b. What are these saying? Oh, I guess you could graph it. Do they? I wonder if they're going to give us a graph. Oh no, they're just telling us why it's mx plus. Okay, we already know this. We don't need to go over that. This is more about it. Oh, so when x is -2, if you plug it in, you can find out what y is. Oh, I like this. Okay, anyway, that explains the table. All right, so let's begin. All right, so the y-intercept, immediately I come over to when x is 0, what is y? So the y-intercept is -8. Okay, then to look for the slope, we're going to do how does x and y change? So we're always adding 1, so it's going to be over 1. So we're good. All we have to do is find out what y is. So -12 to -8, that's +4, +4, +4. Okay, so the slope is 4 over 1, which is just 4. Sweet. So then we can just write y equals m, which is slope, so 4x, and then y-intercept -8. Okay, so here's, I'm glad they had the y-intercept as minus or -8. So when it's plus b, if it's a negative y-intercept, you want to make that a minus sign. Don't do plus -8 because we're going to want to change that to one sign. You don't want plus negative, you just want minus. Okay, sweet. Okay, let's see. I want to do the y-intercept first, even though it's second here. So we're going to come when x is 0, y-intercept's -3, because to me that's like the easiest one. I like doing that. Okay, these are all going up by 1. Sweet. So this y is going up, no, going down by 2. So -2, -2, -2, -2. So -2 divided by 1 is just -2. And then we fill in our equation, y equals, both of these are negative. Cool. So -2x minus 3. That's y equals mx plus b. And the last one, really quick, I want to do y-intercept again. So I go over x is 0, so the y-intercept is 4. The slope, again, it's going to be over 1. We're going up by 3. So +3. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. The equation, y equals, and then we put the slope, 3 times x. Don't forget that x. I know a lot of kids will forget that x. 3x plus 4, and you're all done. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.